Many of us now are thinking about their memory and brain functions. Thanks to God, we are living longer, but that also means many of us could develop memory problems. Dementia is the most feared disease in our modern time. I'm proud to announce that the American Center of Psychiatry and Neurology has the first integrated holistic memory clinic. If you have any worries about your memory, come to us. You will have full assessment by our consultant psychiatrists who are specialized. You will have assessment your memory, assessment your physical health, and also your brain. All of this will happen in one-stop memory clinic. In one day, you'll have all the assessments required and you will end up with a formalized care plan. Don't worry about memory problem. We can help you in our one-stop memory clinic at ACPN.